If you're heartbroken and you're really struggling to let go of a past relationship, then this episode is for you. It's not a coincidence that you came across this transmission. I have a message for you, and that is that good things are coming your way. A good chance why this relationship ended is because there is another person reserved for you that you are supposed to be with in this lifetime. And this is exactly what happened to me. 5 years ago, when the relationship ended with my ex, I was so heartbroken and depressed. I lost weight. I stopped trusting in the universe because I was like, what's the point? Why go through so much suffering? And I felt I just needed to get away from Stockholm, where I was living, and I booked a flight ticket to Spain. And there I met my twin flame. We've been together for 5 years now, and it feels like my life has colors now. It's just the most beautiful thing ever. And I had no idea at the time. And if I had known that, I wouldn't have been depressed. I would have been excited. I would have thanked the universe. And that's what I want you to do. The universe is making space in your life for your special somebody to come in. The most important thing I did, though, to let go of that past relationship was to step more into my purpose. And this was actually a tip I got from my psychic, because she had been saying for a long time how I was going to meet my special somebody soon. And she described his personality, where we would meet, so that we would meet on a trip. And when I asked her, like, where is this guy? I'm like so impatient. I really want to meet him now. And she said, you are not yet in your purpose. It's not until you've stepped more into your purpose that you will be on your core frequency, and that is what will attract him. I was working in an office job at the time, and my dream was always to start a blog and start creating content like videos. But it's something that I postponed for a long time because I felt like the market was saturated, that why would people want to listen to me? You know, I have no experience in this. But eventually I decided to just take the leap and create a blog. And it was bad in the beginning. They were so short, the blog articles. They weren't ranking. My logo was so cringy. But as I announced the blog to my Instagram following, like on my story, I got a DM commenting on this story, and that was from my twin flame, which I didn't know at the time. But that is so cool to look back on, that it didn't take much. Like, I didn't need to be a 6-figure entrepreneur or like some super successful person, like fully in my mission to attract my special somebody. It was just enough to start. So not only will stepping more into your purpose put you on your core frequency, which will attract the person that is right for you, it will also make your life so delicious that getting that partner will just be the icing on the cake. Your life will feel so juicy and full of purpose that you won't really be missing having your special somebody already in your life. So you won't have that desperate energy. And that brings me to my next point, which is to make your life a masterpiece. Now that you're single, you have so much time to really create an awesome life. And when you're living your dream life, that will be really attractive to your future partner. They will want to be a part of it. And how do you do this? Well, I recommend the first step is you go to canva.com and you search for vision board or dream board, and you create a vision board that will be on your desktop, like on your starting page when you open your laptop. So every time you open your laptop, you have that vision board of exactly how you want your dream life to look like. So put in pictures of your dream house, your dream car, your dream pets, the hobbies you're doing, and really get busy working on these goals. And before you know it, your special somebody will come in when you least expect it, like he did for me. It's also important to evaluate, what went wrong in your past relationship. Was it that you didn't share the same values, that you didn't speak up enough, that you weren't honoring your standards, or didn't you learn from the spiritual lessons that presented itself in this relationship, or they didn't? Let me know if any of these advice resonated, and love you so much.